Hello, good morning. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. If you're tuning in, type hashtag replay, and if you're watching live, then say hi. I would be waiting for 2 more minutes until few of you hop on, and then let's talk about the new releases and also about Navratri. I know it's what is it, Saturday, Saturday early morning. I know last year it didn't feel like what is it, like I was getting ready in the morning. But this year I think since it started on Saturday, it feels like what to say, like I'm starting the day early, but still last year also I did the same, except my son was in school and my husband was in office. This year being COVID, they all are home, so that is the only difference. If you're hopping in, say hi, type a hash smiley, that would be really nice, and also tell me whether you guys will be getting ready for Navratri too. I wanted to know, like, whether you do based on the colors or you just get ready. How do you do that? Let me start with the eye look I did for today. Today's look was, first color was gray. So I picked a eye look which is like what is it, like a maroon and burgundy and gray, because I wore a contrast red blouse, kind of red and maroon kind of, so I made the eye look also similar to that, and even the lip look, because I wanted the contrast. This saree is like a it's very simple gray sari, so I wanted a pop of color for that in contrast, so I did that. So my what is it, like, certain things I do in my everyday look. So let me first say that the first one will be obviously rustic brown for my eyebrows. So that is like my default shade. If you want, you can always do onyx or black pencil, but I like mine not to be too dark. If I do onyx, that is the black one, it will be like what is it, like, I feel like it's too dramatic, which I don't like, so I do the rustic brown for my eyebrows. It's a Shadow Sense color. Whenever it's a Shadow Sense color, you can pretty much use it in multiple ways. So you can use it as your eye color, you can use it as an eyeliner, you can use it as a concealer, you can use it for blush, you can use it as my lip color. Like, pretty much you can do multiple things. So here I have used rustic brown Shadow Sense for my eyebrows, and natural tan is the one I always use to color correct. So this is like my go-to. I always just give me a minute. Yeah, okay. So natural tan is the one I use to color correct, and the next thing I would do is what I did is I used slate. I used slate to my what is it, like, I used slate for my transition shade in the crease. This is like a very light matte shade. Since it's going with gray, I chose this one. And the next one I have used is I used burgundy. Hi Prashanti, good morning. Thanks for hopping in. Happy Dashera to you too. That's what, like, last year when I did, like, that's the first time I did with the color coordinated one. And also I got ready all 9 days only for that. I don't think I did prior to that. So that is my first. So here, Ram? அவங்க வந்துட்டாங்க. So it's like burgundy. I have used it on the outer corner just to deepen the shades, and also on my lower lid. This is one shade that what to say, like you can pretty much use in multiple ways. You can use it as an eyeliner. This would look really really nice, and as I mentioned, this will look really nice as a lip color too. With Shadow Sense, they will last you quite a while, because as you can see, it's easy to carry in the tube, and also they will be spill proof, and you will have tons of uses with the one tube. So once you what to say, like use them and understand how it works, there is like limitless opportunities for you to use. And the other benefit is Shadow Sense comes with anti-aging benefits. So eyes will be one place where you will age mostly. So by using this, you will start slowing down the process of wrinkles and aging. So that is the other thing. What else I used? Yes, the next one I used is Silver Shimmer. It is like a gray shimmer shade. So that's the one I have used as my inner lid color, and I blended it out. So I have, since it's a gray look, I used Silver Shimmer along with Burgundy, and I have used Onyx as my eyeliner for today. As I mentioned, for me, Shadow Sense colors I really love to use as eyeliners. That stays really well, and also they blend very well with the eye look you do. So I have used Onyx as my eyeliner, and also I use it on my waterline. So that is one thing I love to use. That way your eye look will really pop. And I have used Bandana Shimmer. Since it's a red look, I have used Bandana Shimmer as my blush shade. And the next thing is I have used Crimson, and I have topped it with red glitter. I think Prashanti, you have the red glitter, right? So I know I really love when you can add a little bit of glitter to the color, and that way the same shade, for example, crimson is the matte shade, so you have the versatility of using it in both ways. So here you can use it with matte gloss. Thank you, Nidhi. I think you carried too. This one was, I ordered it long back in India, and finally they reached me. Like, I mean, I was supposed to go in March, so all these things I ordered long back, and they were thanks, Prashanti. I wanted to keep them again simple, and I wanted to align it with what I did over the weeks of eye look. So I made sure that I do it in the same way. Yeah, Nidhi. So you know that I am a lover of big jhumkas, so I immediately grabbed this. But these were like waiting for me for like, I would say more than 8 months or something, because I ordered them. Everything reached before when I was supposed to go. So 6 months I was like holding on to it, and finally they reached. So I'm going to use most of them in this week. So this is actually, people won't believe this. I think Nidhi carried it, if I remember. Nidhi has it, and this is such a lightweight for this size actually. I don't know, like people will always have that question, like how do you carry it? But hardly I could feel that I am wearing this big of a jhumka. It's such a lightweight one. And I wore what is it, like a black metal bangles from Shakti. I don't know whether it's a set or not, because I do had many, so I paired it. So this is the bangle I'm wearing. I love to pair bangles with my sari looks, so that's the one. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much for hopping on. So I think Nidhi knows it. Nidhi has what and all big ones I used to grab. Like anybody who is in here knows it. I am a big lover of jhumka, because the main problem is, if you look at my face structure, my ears are so close to my body, so unless I wear them, I completely forgot. If you go back and search my earlier videos, I know like few of them I have done without earrings, because I didn't realize that. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much. I will be posting the full look anyway. So this whole 9 days I'm going to get ready. I know you guys all do in the evening. I have what is it, like a training by 9:30, so it's 9:15, and the lip shade is crimson with red glitter gloss. I just used one shade today. I didn't use multiple because this shade immediately went with my blouse, so I didn't have to think about it. So I immediately picked the shade. So I'm going to be getting ready all 9 days, but in the morning, I know like most of you will be sleeping when I get ready tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. Monday is off for my son too, so that way it gives me a little bit of wiggle room. Because I am going to be in training from yesterday evening it started, and it's going to be there till Monday afternoon. So I'm going to do the looks along with my training. I have everything printed out and for my notes, and my my book is ready for me to write everything because 9:30 it starts. And but I didn't want to miss this too, because last year I really loved doing it. In fact, I remember I didn't have anybody to take my full pictures. So last year I used to just have a full-size mirror and take my one picture of my sari. So but this year I have my husband at home, so I have the privilege of taking as many pictures I want. So I could enjoy it. What else? Yes, I know, like last year it was like a blast. I know I was keep on posting it. So there were 4 things that released. The first one was 2 lip glosses which were color changing based on your pH balance. They both are shadow sensitized, so the usual gloss will be little bigger, but those 2 were like little smaller in the shadow sense size. If you can see, I think this is 0.25 ounce, this is 0.20 ounce. So they make perfect gifts. You can buy and split them for 2 people. And the main cool thing about it is it changes based on your pH level. So when it applies, it's going to apply clear gloss, and after some time it's going to change as color. So it's perfect for people who love lip glosses. And the one was like little pink coral and one was pinkish. So you have both options, and I am sure people would love that because it's like your own color. Nobody knows what color it will change to. So it's up to your pH balance, the acidity level, everything. So that's the first one that got released. The second one was obviously normal to oily hair. I know shampoo is to be one of my top seller. People always ask about my hair and thing. I use only Senegen's products. So normal to oily liners, I may use that because the hair replenish line is not to me, because I am a big fan of kajal. So I like poofy ones. So I like the voluminous one to use, but still I have oily hair because I do go for workouts, and being in NC I sweat a lot. So on the normal to oily line will be really nice, because that way the buildup can be cleaned up first, and then I can use the voluminous hair fall one. So that is the second line that got introduced. And everybody was talking about the serum because the serum had charcoal in it. So people were saying it's really good on their scalp, whoever had dry scalp, that kind of people. So that is one thing. And what is the third one that got released? The Bella collection. I already ordered it. I couldn't resist because I know it's going to sell out soon. So I already ordered that collection. So it came with 5 things in Bella: Bella Lip Sense, Bella Glossy Gloss, Bella Matte Gloss, Bella Shadow Sense, and Bella Shimmer Shadow Sense. So 5 looks all with Bella. Bella is always one of my top seller, and I always suggest it as a first color for people who are trying lip sense. If you need a everyday lip color, then it's really close to velvet, but Bella will be really nice. And I saw the shadow sense colors looked even on darker skin. So I was really surprised, because sometimes people will be hesitant to use like a pink shade kind of, but it was really good. So I already ordered the collection. When you order as a collection, it came with free oops remover, and also it came with the bag was so pretty. Like, I mean, it was almost the same shade. So that is there. So if you need the collection, you can directly order from the website too, because it will be free shipping anyway. And the last one is obviously the age defying serum or something. I forgot the name, but it was like, I think with COVID and normally itself we use so much of this phone and laptops, TV, everything. So it is something that can help with the blue lights. I heard many people use the blue light lenses to protect their eyes. the same way these will protect you from your skin, because they said, yeah, sorry, thanks Prashanti, the digital serum, I completely forgot. I think because it was like bombarding with so many new things. This is my first leaders conference, so I was so excited, so I forgot the name. So thank you for helping me. Yeah, the digital serum. So and it was priced so well. I mean, it was $50, but I think we all use it because we know how much EMF radiations and other things we go through. It said that if you use the phone, the damage, how much the damage it can be is, for 5 days if you use the blue light, it is equivalent to 25 minutes of standing in the direct sun. So that's how much damage you will be doing it to your skin when you do the blue light too. So that is one thing I'll be definitely ordering, because as you know, my business itself runs with my phone and my laptop. So I end up using it most of the time, so I definitely need that, and I will be always testing it. Whenever a new product releases, I always test that. Retinol is one, I am enjoying it so much. The previously brightening used to help me for my scars, but retinol is one really helped me. You can see my the pores and everything got really what is the like the skin's texture has improved so much with that. So retinol is always one of the what is it, like best thing you can introduce in your skincare routine. And now with this serum, this is like groundbreaking, I would say, because this is something everybody needs. It's like how we say the hair lip balm, like if you have lips you need it, like because I used to say it for the eye cream, because eye cream is like a must have from our line. If you have an eye, because you are going to use it more, because that is one place you constantly use, and it's going to expand and contract every night. Like, I mean, that's why many of you will have puffy eyes, because the water gets collected every night and the next day it expands. So that's why people see wrinkles around the eyes as the first sign. So like similar to that, we all use in this digital age, it's unavoidable to use all these social media and all what is it, like any apps, because we keep up with our kids classes and friends, everybody through these. So these are unavoidable, so at least why not take care of it. So that's the one. And I'll be linking anyway all the things where I bought and everything. So hope you have enjoyed. Enjoy your day. As I said, I'll be attending the what is it, like training, and there is one important thing coming up today. It's not a product, it's a service. So I'll be posting the details on that too. So look for that, and have a wonderful day. See you all soon.